Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how students and teachers can get Canva Pro absolutely for free, the legit way and directly through the Canva's education program. So if you are interested in it, make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. You can click on the link that is given in the description, or you can open your web browser and search for canva.com/education. Once you search for it, you will be landed here on this page where you can create and personalize lesson plans, infographics, posters, videos, and more 100% for free for the teachers and the students at eligible schools. So over here, basically, if you are a K-12 teacher or student, you can head over to Canva and search for Canva for Education, and this version actually give you access to all the pro features absolutely for free. Teachers who are interested in it need to sign up using their school's email and upload the proof like a school ID or teaching certificate. Students can join once invited by the teachers and school's admin. Once your ID is verified on Canva, you will get the tools like background remover, premium templates, and AI features all without paying anything. There is no credit card required, and it is perfect for the assignments, classroom projects, and creative learning. And that's how you can unlock Canva Pro for free as a student or the teacher in 2025. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more free tools, and drop a comment if you want me to create a full tutorial on Canva for education. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.